Hey guys, I'm Brianna. I'm an online yoga teacher, and I want to show you some other tree pose options. I'm like, where are my blocks for this? But I need some new ones. So, some options is actually great if you don't have blocks. Everyone wants to get to having their foot up here and their hands here, here, or here. And this is great, but sometimes, like, you can see my foot slipping. Sometimes your leggings are just super slippery, and it's not gonna happen. So instead of trying to force it just to get the look, or maybe you just physically can't get your foot up there, that's fine too. Let's go over some other options. So, especially if you're new to balancing or you find balancing challenging, start with your toes on the ground at your ankle. And what you want to focus on more is your standing legs, standing nice and strong, gripping the foot with your floor. Gripping the floor with your foot. I don't know what happened there. And then with this leg, focus on your hip rotation. Rotating from the hip, toes on the ground, hands at prayer, hands here, because you're still balancing and you're strengthening this leg, and a little hip work here. So, option one with many arm variations. And then another option is to bring your foot to your calf. And again, we want to focus on our hip rotation and standing leg, and you still have all three arm variations. And if you want to make these two options more difficult, you can also take a swaying tree by leaning over towards the turned out leg. See, it makes it more challenging, even with your toes on the ground. So, those are some other options besides the pretty one. And if you do take the pretty one, remember that your foot and leg are pressing into each other. This leg isn't just hanging out here, there's a connection happening. Oi. But that's it. I just wanted to show you some tree pose variations. And try that swaying tree. It's a lot of fun.